question is, should you specifically start your YouTube channel? And the answer really boils down to one thing. You are not that special. You probably decided to click on this video because you've been thinking about starting your YouTube channel. Or maybe you already started your channel, but you don't have that many subscribers. Today, I'm going to give you 3 reasons on why you should start that YouTube channel, even if you get 0 subscribers initially. Reason number 1, tracking your growth. By posting on YouTube, you are documenting and encapsulating your life. I, for one, have definitely had those eras where I didn't want to post pictures, post videos of my art, nor myself. But as the years go by and I'm able to look back at all of the artwork I've created, I'm not only able to reminisce about the time where I created that art, but I'm also able to appreciate where I've come since creating that. I know you definitely don't want to post to YouTube just to track your own personal growth. You're also here to gain subscribers and views. If you decide to make vlogs, workout videos, cooking videos, you'll always be able to go back and look at where you were at that time of life. Outside of the personal ways that you can grow by posting to YouTube, let's also not forget the exponential growth that can be obtained by way of subscribers and view count. If you are a smaller channel and you've been posting to YouTube for a while and it seems like your channel isn't growing, this is not the time to be discouraged. This is where consistency is key. You never know which of your videos will be the one to take your channel to the next level, but you definitely won't know if you don't keep posting. Reason number 2, attacking your fear of being seen. Now I get it, y'all. None of us wants to be embarrassed. None of us wants to put ourselves out there, especially if you're an introvert. But if you want to grow, it has to be done. Now listen closely because this part is very important. Someone is out there looking for you. I'm putting heavy emphasis on one because we're not looking for everybody. We're not looking for everybody to love us, to like us, or even to watch our channel. What can hold us back from starting that YouTube channel is thinking that we need a view from everybody. But there is so much solace and peace in knowing that there is some one person that likes you for you.
Don't you worry about it, bitch. I know somebody like it.
We are not looking to be wanted or to be viewed by any and just everyone. We would want to be liked, viewed, subscribed to by people who genuinely resonate with us on a deeper level. Don't want to give my age away, but when I was younger, I was obsessed with reposting pictures on a website called Tumblr. Tumblr is a older social media platform where people would repost obscure art, very artsy. I go to art shows, type of art on there. I loved reposting the art on there. It was always something beautiful. It was always something intriguing. It was always something inspiring. And I finally had got the courage to begin posting my own artwork on Tumblr. Initially, I obviously was very nervous to share my artwork because I'm thinking like, who would even watch it? Who would even like it? Who would even reshare it? After I began posting my own artwork to Tumblr, an artist who I had been admiring and inspired by for a while reposted my own original artwork. I'm very calm right now, but at the time I was gagging. I was extremely excited. I was extremely humbled that someone that I looked up to was interested in my art. Fast forward, we eventually got to meet up. We went to some art shows together, even went to a few concerts. Till this day, that has been one of the most genuine connections that I've ever created. And it all started by me just being brave enough to post my own artwork. Reason number 3, YouTube is a great creative outlet. Since I was younger, I've always loved photography and making videos. I would always have my friends dress up so that I could take editorial style pictures of them. I just did it out of pure joy. I just love doing it. Needless to say, if you love doing something, you most likely would be willing to do that thing even if you never got paid from it. When it comes to YouTube specifically and creating videos, I totally get it. No one wants to put so much time, effort into creating projects that won't eventually bring them some return on their investment. But one of the only ways to get a return on your investment with YouTube is by getting your channel integrated with the algorithm. Contrary to what most creators believe, you don't need tens of thousands of subscribers to get integrated into YouTube's algorithm. What you need is for the subscribers that you already do have to return to your channel multiple times, viewing multiple videos. Once your subscribers continue to return to your channel, YouTube will then recommend your videos to people who fit the same demographics as your subscribers. That's why I put so much emphasis on genuinely being yourself and creating the content that you really like to create, because then people who genuinely like your particular style will continue to come back just to watch your videos. And then people just like those people will eventually find your channel as well. If you stayed till the end of this video, you get a bonus reason on why you should be starting a YouTube channel. The question is, should you specifically start your YouTube channel? And the answer really boils down to one thing. You are not that special.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
I know you're probably thinking like, who is he talking to? Before you have my head, I do believe that everyone is special in our own regard. But when it comes down to our life stories, no matter how unique we think they may be, there is someone out there who would view your story and feel, wow, I've been through the same exact thing. It seems like they're telling my story, they're singing my song. And just by being brave enough to share, you've probably made one more person a little less lonely in this world. Just like Google or Bing, when it comes down to it, YouTube is ultimately a search engine. One thing that I've learned, when people are typically in search or a quest of some kind, they are mostly looking and searching for themselves. And by you starting your YouTube channel and posting, someone might be able to find a little bit of themselves within you. If this video had inspired you to start your channel at any time, I would urge you to go down in the comments and share what has been holding you back from starting your YouTube channel. As well, what are you going to do now to get the ball rolling and get your channel in motion? My name is Akko Ali, and I love having discussions about the teachings of Neville Goddard, Abraham Hicks, Louise Hay, Reverend Ike, and Alan Watts. If that is something that you're interested in, stay with me a while and we can have some discussions about that.